Hello everyone, so on this video I thought I'd just talk about the electrical system that we have. Now, as I probably showed you on the other one, which I may not have yet, we've got the 240 volt here, so we can plug anything we want into that one. Then if we go around the other side, we got our 15 amp for when we go to a powered site. Plus I also have any adapters I might need. So I start the back here, excuse any mess, still sorting things out. Hopefully you can see. Okay, so we've got our blue smart charger here, Victron. Okay, we've got our 12 volt direct 3000 inverter. And we got this one switch here is for the 15 amp on the outside, and the other switch there goes to the inverter. And we've got a power point on there, so we can use that one too if needed. We've got a Redarc 50 amp charger going to the alternator, so we can charge our lithium batteries up, which is really good. We've got 2 by 300 amp lithium batteries in here, in a sealed box and vented as per regulations. There's what other stuff there? There's probably something I'm missing to say. So that's all the sort of wiring there, the power supply. Nice and neat, easy to get to if there's any issues. We all know from time to time these sort of things may need looking at, but you never know. Hopefully we don't have any problems, but at least if there is, it's fairly easy to get to. Now the reason we got the big inverter is because we want to use the air conditioner off grid and any appliances we may plug in. And it's a really neat and tidy. So I'll just take you around the other side. So I'm not sure if you can see in there, but that's what we have there. Okay, and we are using the Kickast 300 watt solar panels, blanket solar panels if we want to call them. Now we don't have solar on the roof at this stage, but with the system we got in place, this will do us sufficiently at the moment. We've got our air conditioner which is plugged in the power point at the back, so we can use that off grid, and also it's all ready to go if we're on a powered site. Got the King's fridge, 75 litre dual fridge and freezer, 5-year warranty. I'll just also we have USB point. Oops, we've got a power point there. We've got a power point down the bottom. We've got a 12 volt cigarette one there, USBs. We velcroed them onto the wall for the air conditioner and for the max fan. We have dimmer lights up top. We've got 3 of those going across the roof. We've got the max fan up here which we used yesterday. It was awesome. We're really happy with that. Got my fridge thing there for the 2 temperatures in the fridge and what it says inside. So I'll just show you what I've done with the fridge. So with the fridge we've got both cables plugged in behind. One is to an Anson plug and one is to a power point, so we don't need to change anything there, whether we're off grid or whether we're at a powered site. So that's really good. So really happy with that setup. So last night we had the fridge on about 2 to 3 degrees. Had the freeze on about minus 15, 16 most of the day, and then we upped it a little bit last night, but we've got ice cubes in there, which I'm going to show you what Kerry does with the ice cubes later. And we had the max fan on most of the night on low, and oh my god, and we've got our other fans in there, which I'll have to show you what we've done with them. It was a nice cool night inside without being cold. Nice airflow. We didn't close all the doors and that till it got dark. It was really nice and comfortable in there last night. Didn't feel stuffy once we had all the fans going there. So that we're really, I think we had the max fan on about 30%, maybe one time at 40% when we first got in there, then we dropped it to about 30%. And that worked fantastic. And we got here about between 11 and 12 yesterday, And then this morning, I think about 8 o'clock, we used about 4% of the battery. I haven't put the solar blanket out all yesterday. I probably won't even put it out today. We've got heaps of power. But we'll need that power for when we use some of our appliances. If we want to run the air conditioner for an hour in the afternoon. We've sort of worked, we're going to test it today. We've sort of worked out that if we use the air conditioner for about 2 hours, we've sort of worked it out. We've worked out it's probably going to use about 20% of the battery, but we're not sure. That's just what we sort of roughly worked out figure-wise. But once we do an actual test, we'll know. But yeah, really happy with the because obviously that's where the majority of the money has gone in our electrical power system, and obviously they made the bed and the storage frame and stuff underneath and a few other things. And they also made up a Perspex thing that we can put on the front window for when we vent the air conditioner, which is going to be really good, nice and simple. If I've missed anything or you want to ask any questions, I'll answer the best I can. Bye.